Hi guys, Maxim Witkowski, Legionowska, I'm with Mark, brand new Jiu-Jitsu Network. Today we're gonna show you third variation from double under passing with the lapel control. So let's start it. Also from that position we go to the track, and from track we take the back. So I start my position from there. As you start passing his legs, I want to go with one of my elbow under his ankle, lift it up, go high, grab the leg. Here, I don't want to keep my arm too long here because he will start pulling it and giving trouble. Also control his leg high, make sure his knee cannot bend and your shoulder and neck is higher than his knee. Now, I run away with my second arm, grab his hips and lift it. Now, as you lift it, I open his gi, grab cross grip on the lapel with my left arm, so my right arm grabbing the last part of his lapel and stuff it under his back. Now, as I try to pass, but it's not working, so on the previous technique, I just flip him to the left from that position. Now, I'm gonna flip him over his left shoulder, so it's gonna be 45 degrees to the right side. It was 90 to the left, now we go 45 to the right. So pressure, 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 and this lapel under his hip helps me to lift him. Come back. So I'm in there. One. I still hold this lapel here with my left hand, and I use the right too. Now what I do, I stuff my left knee between his elbow and knee, and I end up in that position. I press his Achilles with my feet and pull him back here. Pass the leg, lock the triangle, turn, hip escape, and take his back from the track. One more. From here. We do other side too, so you can see other side. We lift him over, but cannot. So I lift him over by his right shoulder now. Bam. When I get there, my knee in, block. Lift him, switch the leg, control or lock, hip escape, and take the back. One more to the same side. Lift him.